Hey, what's up guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul the Tech Giant and welcome back to the channel, where today I'm going to be telling you what I believe are the best things about this 65-inch Sony X90L. Now I've already done a full unboxing and demo of this TV, and if you want to see that video I'll put a link to that in the description, but neither of these videos would have been possible if it weren't for the UK electrical retailer Peter Tyson. So if you are looking to purchase a new TV, be it this or something else, I'd really appreciate it if you would consider making that purchase from Peter Tyson. But it's not just TVs that they sell, they have a whole range of other electrical items available, many of which come with free delivery, extended warranties, and they have finance options available. And all of this is backed up by great customer service, which is reflected by the amazing customer reviews left on Trustpilot. So please support the retailer that helps support the channel and consider making your next TV or electrical purchase from Peter Tyson. Okie dokie, let's crack on then, and the first best thing about this TV is how good it is at handling reflections. Now let me just show you. If I just move around to the side here, got some big windows there, a lot of natural daylight coming through, and well, you can barely see it. Now the image is washing out, that is one downside about this TV. Now I have already done a test with the screen off, showing it with some quite strong lighting in my living room, and it handled it so well. Now if I just turn off the TV, and we can see that there is a little bit of a reflection going on, but it's not acting like a mirror. We move round, and we can see how that light is diffused quite a bit. So if you have a room that has a lot of natural daylight, this TV is going to handle the reflections with ease. Moving along now then, and the next best thing about this TV is the brightness. Yes, this TV does get very bright indeed. Now currently we are in the standard picture mode, and if I just grab the remote control, get up the settings there, we can see standard, but what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it into vivid. And my God, that has now got super bright. Now this is going to be very handy if you have a living room which gets a lot of natural daylight or has got a lot of lights in it. Again, combining that brightness with how great this TV is at handling reflections, it's going to be a great combination. And I know a lot of people out there do complain about reflections on TVs and that their TV isn't bright enough, so I think this TV could definitely be one for the shortlist. Now this next best thing is only a little thing, but they all add up, and that is the design. Now what I love about this TV is it's quite a sleek look, because unlike many TVs, it doesn't have a big notch in the middle. Because here, where we have our sensors, as you can see, there's just a little bit of a cutout there, but it is really hard to tell that it's there at all. Where other TVs have a big notch hanging down there, and to me, that isn't good. But on this TV, yeah, it's just a nice rectangle the way it should be. So that's the next best thing about this TV. Next up is something that we can all take advantage of with a TV, and that is just how snappy all the menus are. Yeah, there's nothing worse than a TV that is just lagging when you press a button on the remote control. But to be fair with this, it is really, really quick. As you can see, just scrolling through the menus there, just no hanging about, no lagging, it just does what you want it to. And that's why that is the next best thing about this TV. Next up is something that I absolutely love, and that is Sony Pictures Core. So what exactly is this? Well, it is a high bitrate streaming service. So there's loads of movies on here, and all in very high bitrate. As far as I know, it's the highest bitrate that you can get on any streaming service available. And I've tested it out previously, and I was absolutely blown away. It's about as close as you can get to a 4K Blu-ray. And the great thing is, if you buy one of these TVs brand new, you get 10 movies for free. So that makes it another best thing about this TV. Now this next best thing is something I feel is very handy, and that is you get not just one, but two remote controls. Yes, two of them. Now this first one, okay, it is a bit basic. It's a bit of a brick sort of thing, you know, it's in the shape. But at the end of the day, it's a remote control. And then we have our second one. Now, this is better than the first one. And we got shortcuts going on with this. And it's a more sleeker design. Still not the best remote I've ever seen, but the fact that we get two, I feel is very handy. I'm sure we've all been in the situation where we've lost a remote down the side of the sofa. You don't really want to go fishing around for it, so you don't have to. Just grab the second one and carry on with the action. Or what I find even more entertaining, give one to your partner and then you keep the other and they don't know about it, and you can flick over to the channels that you want and not what they want. So that makes those the next best thing about this TV. Next up on the best things list is that this TV has adjustable feet or legs, whichever you want to call them, which again is very handy. A lot of TVs have fixed ones, but these are adjustable. So you can have the TV sit higher or lower. They are metal, and that comes in handy if maybe you've got a sound bar you want to slip underneath, or if you don't have one, you can lower it down for a more neater look. So once again, very handy. Now we've come to the final best thing about this TV, and that is the sound. I think it is really, really good. Now, as I've said in my unboxing video, there's a couple of reasons why I feel it's good sound. First being that it is just really, really clear. Great trebles, great mids, bass is a little bit lacking, but the thing that really stands out to me is just how wide the sound gets thrown out. Just take a listen to this. Now, the reason why the sound gets thrown out so wide, if we move around just to the side here, the sound is projected out from there and the same on the other side and just thrown around the room. Honestly, it is so good. I've come into the room many times thinking that it's a sound coming from outside, but no, it's actually coming through the TV. Honestly, it is that convincing. I absolutely love it. And that is the final best thing about this TV. And there you have it then, guys. Now, hopefully you've enjoyed today's video, and if you have, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this in the future, and hopefully I'll be catching you guys on the next one. Bye for now.